Hello, Alex. You may have already got this figured out, but I was going through my Google form in which students could ask questions, and one of the questions that you had was that you were able to open up the content tab, the orientation course didn't show up, and the orientation portion is blank. So I wanted to take you through how to find that as well as how to access content. So I just wanted to point out that I'm impersonating you right now, so this is how your account looks to you rather than showing you my account. So if I'm going to find that orientation course, I'm going to click on content and I'm going to click on orientation. So instead of clicking on this one, this is just simply an outline of what the orientation is. I'm going to go to orientation activity 1 and it will open like this. I like to open it up into this full screen window so that I can see it all. So you're being asked to read through all of these things. It's introducing all of the icons and what you're being asked to do. So I'm going to scroll down just for simply going through. Here's a discussion that you can enter. And so whenever you see a little icon like this, it means that there's usually an assignment there. These little talk bubbles mean a discussion, and there's a little submit. It's got a down arrow with a little box that you put it into, and that would indicate that you're going to do an assignment that you're putting into the Dropbox. So in order to enter into this discussion, you just click right here. Now again, with everything, there are multiple ways to access it, so you are absolutely correct that you can access this through the orientation, the discussion icon at the top of the course home. You can access discussions there and you should see the orientation discussion. So you can enter it there and you're going to start a discussion. This is the Dropbox one that I was talking about. So this is an assignment that you're going to hand in, not a discussion. First thing that you need to do is download the schedule assignment and then hand it into the assignment box. Okay, so that is the orientation course. I just hit escape to exit that. And you can go through activity 1, 2, and 3, and it will just show up here, and then you click over. You're going to do the same thing when you access course content. So we're just going to scroll down beyond all of those because we're starting on Unit 1, Activity 1 today. So you're going to click on Activity 1, go to Activity, and here is your work for today. These are expectations that just pop up, and you can just read through. Those are our learning goals for today, what you're going to learn. You can read through them and then close them down, and then you're free to go through all of the content. Okay, if you have questions about how to access that, don't hesitate to reach out.